Question 14. An office building has a size of 1 million square feet. It uses annually 1,900,000 kilowatt hours of electricity, 4,000 MMBTU of steam, and 600,000 tons of natural gas. What is EUI for this facility? So we start the problem by typing in EUI into the search bar for your PDF. And EUI is an energy utilization index. If you look, the formula for EUI is annual consumption of all your energy combined over building area. And this area includes everything, your utility closets, everything inside the building. The unit measurement for this is BTU per square feet yearly. So now we have to go down and sum up all the energy sources, but in order to do that, we have to convert them to the common unit. And usually common unit is BTU. So now we have 1,900,000 kilowatt hour of electricity. If you go to your basic engineering practice, you're going to find that 1 kilowatt hour of electricity equals to 3,413 BTU. And this is a conversion factor. So if you do that, you're going to get 6,485 times 10 to the power of 6 BTU. Now we go to steam. So steam in this problem was 4,000 MMBTU. MMBTU essentially means million. So you're going to get 4,000 times 10 to the power of 6 BTU. And finally, we go to the natural gas. And natural gas was 600,000 therms. And same idea with this. You go to basic engineering practice, you're going to find that 1 therm equals to 1 times 10 to the power of 5 BTU. And once you do this calculation, you're going to find that we get 80,000 times 10 to the power of 6 BTU. Once we sum up all the energy consumption, we're going to get 90,485 times 10 to the power of 6 BTU, and that's annual per year. So this is how much our building consumes electrically. So finally, to find EUI for this facility, it's going to be 90,485 times 10 to the power of 6 BTU per year. Year is going to go down to now our denominator, and you're going to divide this out by 1 million square feet for the building. And finally, you're going to get 90,485 BTU per square foot per year. And this is our final answer for this building.